Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to change download location of Ducduckgo app in computer. So how to change download location of Ducduckgo app in computer? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go to the Ducduckgo application on your computer. Here it is already on the initial display of the Ducduckgo application. To change download location in Ducduckgo. How to just direct the cursor to the top right of the screen. Here there is a .3 menu. Tap the .3 menu. And a scrolling menu will appear. Select the Settings menu. Now here it is in the Ducduckgo Settings menu. Many menu options that can be used. Tap on the Download menu. In the Download menu, here the download results location is in the Download folder. To change it, tap Change. Now the Windows folder on our computer will appear. Please select the folder that will be used as the destination or location of the download results. After finishing selecting the folder, tap Select Folder. Well, here you can see, the download location has changed according to what I chose. So that's it, the tutorial how to change download location of Ducduckgo app in computer. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.